What's up, guys? Today is cardio day. I'm on the Stairmaster. I know it's kind of hard to breathe. That's why I have my mask all over the place. Okay. And today I'm gonna be doing 350 calories on the Stairmaster. I should be able to do that in around 25 minutes. So the last three, I started my cardio last 3 weeks. So I've been increasing my speed on the Stairmaster and increasing my calories by around 50 calories. So I'm doing 350 calories this week and next week, and maybe after that I can raise to 400 calories. As you can tell, I can barely breathe, even with my mask adjusted, right? So the reason I love the Stairmaster, I've tried all different cardio machines, right? The two types of cardio I like is either the Stairmaster or I go out jogging for 20-25 minutes. I used to jog longer when I was younger, but I guess doing heavy squats and all that kind of stuff can have a toll on your knees, right? Plus the hard ground. Every time I jog, I need to take off like I skip 2 days between jogging, because if I jog days consecutively, my knees start to pain. But that's because back in the day I didn't have proper form while squatting, right? So my knees took a hit, and that's why it's very important to have proper form while squatting, while doing squats, and proper form while doing any kind of strength training. Because fitness is a lifestyle, and if you want to train, if you want to be active for many years, you need to watch your form while doing different exercises, so you don't get injuries, but also so you can have a prolonged fitness lifestyle. Okay, so like I was saying, I love the Stairmaster because it works your legs, and legs are like the biggest part of the biggest muscles on your body. But as it's working your legs, it works your core or your abs, right? I know so many people like to do sit-ups and crunches, but if you're doing squats, if you're doing the Stairmaster, most lower body workouts, you're gonna use a lot of your core or a lot of your stomach muscles or your abs. You're gonna contract them for the power. So you are literally working your abs and your six-pack as you do lower body exercises. So you strengthen your core in the meantime, okay? I'm not saying doing crunches and different ab workouts is wrong. All I'm saying is most people do them to get a six-pack before they even lose the excess fat, the fat layer that's covering the abs. Okay, so that's something to keep in mind. So the Stairmaster works your glutes for the ladies who love to work their booty, works your quads. And also I've noticed that if I do like if I have a good leg session, like maybe today, and in 2 days time, and after a day I do the Stairmaster, something simple for 15-20 minutes slow, I've noticed that it helps me recover my legs quick, because sometimes I do squats and my legs stay sore for 3-4 days. But if I do the Stairmaster in between my leg sessions, I recover quick. That's my experience with the Stairmaster. So apart from the Stairmaster increasing your heartbeat very quick, working your heart and working your entire cardiovascularity, it really burns real calories. For me, it's the closest machine to burning the exact calories that you're really burning. The other machines are not really accurate. For me, the Stairmaster is the most accurate, in my opinion, in my experience. Okay, so yeah, I use the Stairmaster during my fat loss, like right now, post quarantine, and I usually, when I start with low levels, you know, because I'm new to it, and then as I gain endurance, I increase the steps per minute, or the speed at which the steps go down. And then I gradually increase the calories I burn. Okay? So like last week, last 2 weeks, I started with 52 steps per minute. And right now, I'm doing 82 steps per minute. Sorry, I can't really talk well because I'm kind of out of breath, because Stairmaster works you, bro. I'm 20 minutes in, 268 calories. So let me show you. I got about 100 more calories. So you can see, it's not so fast, not slow either. Working my quads, my legs, working my abs at the same time, my glutes. Okay. Right there, 20 minutes, 82 steps per minute, 277 calories so far. I got about 80 more to go. And yeah, here's my cardio machine. I love it. Try it. You can start slow with the steps per minute. You can start with around 50 and low calories. And your time, try to make sure week 3, week 4, you do less time, you increase steps per minute, increase calories to challenge yourself, to build my endurance. Alright, hope this helps you out. Subscribe to the channel, like, comment down below your favorite cardio machine, comment down below any cardio questions. Again, sorry I can't really talk well because I'm working. I practice what I preach. Let's work. Let's get in shape together. Peace.